Right, so after you create your electrode and it's your stem, so it should look something like this. So what you want to do now is add material set, which is adding the stuff or sort of stuff now. So you go to materials, you right click on it, and you click blank material. So in this case you want to model the stem. So come up, say stem, and now here now is where you're clicking. So in this case you notice the shape itself, so you just click it. So it should turn green like blue and you should see it come up. Like the number one. So that is your stem material. And then you go down, you have your electrical conductivity or relative permittivity. If you don't see these two things here, you ought to go to material properties and look for them in the basic properties. I just double click and it will come down. Then here now you just type in your values. For me it was 0.05 and 35. For you it might be different. For your stem or fruit or whatever you have. And as if it's material. And then we could add a material for the platinum. So the cool thing about platinum is that you could actually use a library one. So you just click add and you search platinum as well that way. And you search it. And you just go down to metals. And then add it in for you on the side with like all the variables in it. So the only thing it doesn't have is relative permittivity. So you could just go go up and just double click on relative permittivity and it'll come in. Since it's a metal, relative permittivity would be close to 1, so you could ask for 1. If you have a different value, you could always put it in and you can name it electrode. And then now we have to select the electrode, which is this bar here. So what you have to do is you have to go into geometric entity and go into boundaries. So you can actually select your electrodes. Okay, you don't want to select the other parts of the shape, but that is stem. Alright, so you have the electrode selected, and that is it in terms of your material. If you wanted to add like A, you will have to go into geometry, a cylinder, and you can name it A or atmosphere. The radius of it, you can say is R plus 0.4, so a little bigger, and the height could be H plus 1, that's it, and that's bullet, so it should come over everything like this. So you have a atmosphere around the electrode, and same thing as before, we go into materials, right click, like to add up the values to it, so blank material, and yeah, okay, go into it, so you can see A, and then obviously in this one you add the in, so electrical conductivity and the relative permittivity. Alright, and it does research and put in your values for these. So the conductivity I guess like real about 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the permittivity, permittivity at A. So I don't know what value, but you can research and see what value for this. Let's see, kind of see which one I use. Yeah. Oh, 1 point. Okay, that would just make sense. Yeah, so you have you have the A. So the next thing I have to do is actually select the A, which is kind of weird, right? So it's a domain. You just select the outer one, and you have the stuff. So you have a atmosphere face stem, which is the centerpiece. Electrode, which obviously you can't see, and the A. So you have that. For electrodes, you get you. And I basically how you will add in the materials. So the next video we're going to add a color to it, and then add in the power and stuff for the electrodes.